Hey and welcome back. Now in this module we're going to be building your info PDF brochure. Now there's a couple different ways we can do this. We can actually make a real like an actual PDF file that people can download, and then they can print it out and share it with people. That shows your pricing and a little bit of information about you, some frequently asked questions. Or we can actually make it as a page on your website. So we're going to start by sort of maybe designing the cover of the brochure, and then we're going to do a bit of a hybrid of like an actual PDF and something that's integrated in a page of the website. So in this section you're going to see a list of with 10 designs of brochures that you can use. Now you're going to need to know a little bit of Photoshop or Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator in order to tweak these designs, but we're going to just kind of do it on the fly, and then we're going to see how things go. So let's have a look. I've got 10 different designs here. If you click it, it's just going to open a really professional looking design, and this is from the free pick website. That's many of these things are free. Some of them are paid. Actually, I think this one might be a premium thing. So we'll grab a different one. So I think this one looks good. We can work with this and sort of customize it to the home page. So let's download it and see how it looks and what format it's in. Okay, so I'm downloading this. Let's unzip it. Okay, where are we? Pictures. Sony Coast DJs. Now it looks like a Illustrator file, and the reason they've made it in Illustrator is because it means that all the layers are quite editable and the image is scalable. Now maybe you don't have Illustrator or know how to use it. That's fine. You don't actually need to do this step, but we're going to do this just to make it look a bit cooler. So I'm not sure which one to open. This is how the design looks. Cool. Okay, let's just going to double click it. Should open it up in Illustrator, and then we'll we'll see how easy it is. It takes just a minute to load up because it's there's normally many layers. Okay. So let's zoom in. Looks like apparently this is the size at 100%. However, normally what I like about Illustrator is that the images keep a high quality even if you zoom right in. There's something about Illustrator that keeps things in scale. So what are we going to say here? We're going to say, alright, Sony Coast DJs. That looks cool. Now I need to go back to the website, and we want to keep things a little bit in the theme. Now I don't know what font that is. We're going to go to Photoshop. Check it out. Oh, you know what? I think I may have mixed that down already. What I'm trying to do is find out what this font is, but I think it might be tricky to do actually, so I'll skip that. Okay, Sunny Coast DJs are an all-female mobile DJ service providing DJs in or on the Sunshine Coast of Queensland, Australia. Now, we can change this later. I'm just kind of making things up just to get it completed. So down here we're going to put the website, sunnycoastdjs.com.au. Now we want to align this to the left and then move it right over. And email, we haven't created an email yet, but I would say it's going to be something like karina@sunnycoastdjs.com.au. Align that to the left. Here I'm just going to write Sunshine Coast. Once again, need to align this to the left. I think there might be a way. Yep, that's the quick way. Now we want to get one of these images in here. Maybe this whole thing of this chick right here. Let's see what we can do here. So we've got her there. That and that. Now, if I want to separate them two, what I'm going to do is, for now, I'm going to merge them. No, I want the mixer in there also. Okay. Merge that. You can copy it, paste it to a new document, and I'm going to hide the back layer and then save this as a PNG file. Now, PNG file means that the image can have blank space behind it. Okay, so you can see the background has changed. Female DJ info PDF. Okay, let's go Illustrator. We're going to import that. We'll just open it and then we'll copy and paste it over. Okay, copy. Let's see how easy this is. Paste. Alright, it's a bit big. Make it smaller. Kind of works well so far. Is it something we want to put on a big scale? Maybe. Let's see. That might be too big. Excuse me. So we want to make sure this image fits in the A4 space. But I guess we don't want to cover things up. So we want to send this to the back. So arrange, send to back. Okay, we're too far back. I'm going to go arrange, send backward. Seems like there's no in between here. Okay. If I bring this to the front, now we should have some separation. If I send this back. No. Actually, what I should do with this is send this to the back. Okay, that's not working. I think I need to delete the back image. That would be ideal, I'd say. Delete this. Delete that. And we're going to go and get the logo. Now I might have that already. I do. Let's do a bit of a magic wand. Oh, no, that's too big. We're going to make it much smaller, so now this needs to go to the back, I think. Send backwards. Send to back. It's not really working. I think what I'm going to do here is I can delete the barcode. And I want to copy everything here. Copy, and I can literally just paste it into Photoshop. No. Maybe. Okay. I can, however this is far too small. What we're going to do, I need to create something A4 page, so I need to get dimensions. A4 page pixels. Two 24803508. 2480 3508. Okay, now I'm going to paste this in, and then it's really tiny, so hopefully it keeps the quality good. But it, like I was saying before with Illustrator, it does have a tendency to keep the dimensions, keep the pixels looking good. Okay. I think we might be done here. Cool. Now we just need to get the logo in there. Let me see if I've got a breakdown of the logo. Okay. I don't have PSD. I've got this thing. That looks kind of okay actually, but I still really want to get this logo as it is. Where is it? Okay, let's see what we can do here. Yes! Okay, so this thing is already separated, which means I can copy it now to our PDF cover, and that looks cool. Wait, we're going to do one in the corner, so I'm going to put one up here. Might delete this. Now, I'm going to delete that background part. Put a logo there. I think that looks good actually. We've kind of got the logo there twice, but actually I think the logo could look really good there. Let's do that. Let's make this black. Okay. So what I'll do is first I'll just get this positioned correctly. It's pretty good. Now we're going to cut. select inverse cut, and it's starting to look quite cool. Now we could possibly do more to this. I might just maybe say info PDF or something like that. No, we need bigger, because we've gone full size on this, on the pixels. Info brochure PDF. Okay, yeah. Might unbold that. And that's done. I mean, all we're really doing here is just designing the cover of the brochure so that it looks professional. You know, we want to wow the customer just a little bit. So I'm going to save this. I might just actually make a folder for the info brochure. Info brochure cover page PDF. Actually, I don't want to save this actually as a PDF. I want to save this as a a Photoshop file for now. Info brochure PDF. Voila. So there we have it. That is our cover. What I might do is, because this video, this section of the video has gone longer than expected, I'm going to break these videos up. So this first part, we've just designed the cover letter, or the cover of the PDF brochure. In the next video, we're going to actually look at the content of the info brochure. So we're basically just going to put something like a price list or your packages, and maybe frequently asked questions or something like that. So let's so I'll see you in the next module. Actually, just before I wrap this up, I'm just going to go full screen just to check out this image. And that's our info brochure PDF. See you in the next module.